stick and I'm a pill. Everybody know I got that steel. I'ma keep it gutter. You should only worry about who you laying under. Don't try to sneak this, it could get you hit. Plus when I shoot, I don't miss. I don't need a witness. And please don't pretend all my niggas with me and it's till the fucking end. Plus my riches always on my mind, and I don't got a lot of time. I'm always on go. Don't try to be in my way. I'ma have to get them to spray. It could really happen any day. We could fuck you up in many ways. Everybody knowing that I got it. I don't got a front, I try to keep it blunt. Don't try to sneak this, it could get you hit. Everybody with me too legit. Talking shit could get your ass hit. Plus we got aim, life ain't a game. I am insane, I will say it to your face, and it always get back to me. If you feel some type of way, go ahead and turn your back on me. If I heard you say that you could turn to my enemy, you can go your own way if you was not a friend of me. Don't try to sneak this, it could get you hit. Plus when I shoot, I don't miss. I don't need a witness. If you hating, you need help. It ain't good for your health. Focus on yourself and your own wealth, and make sure you always doing well. I'm the finest and it ain't hard to tell.